Okay, let's start on installing, how to install this TensorFlow and PyTorch in your laptop. Okay, so I am assuming you have Python 3.x, like basically 3.5, 6, 7, 8 or something installed. Yeah, so better, I would suggest use a Python 3.8 or above. This maybe TensorFlow or PyTorch. Some libraries may not be installed in earlier versions. So yeah, better 3.8 or above. Let's use. And with the Python 3. Let's say 3.8 available, we can create first of all a virtual environment so that we don't have to install it in directly in the source. We can install it in a virtual environment. For that, give this command python 3.8 -m vnv 3, and then we can source it, upgrade the pip, and then pip install simply TensorFlow, and we'll go through that. Like if you need by just giving pip install TensorFlow, you will get the latest TensorFlow. In case you need old version, we can select which old version is required and install, as well as pip install Torch and Torch Vision. And again, here is a link for old versions. We can get the command for basically which version is required. So these old versions are required when you are dealing with CUDA GPU. If you have an old version of some particular version of CUDA, then you have to install TensorFlow or PyTorch, which is compatible with that CUDA version. So that is the only case when we have to go for this old version, or let's say some code base is written for some old version and it's not compatible with latest. That time also you might have to install the old versions. But I would always say, like, it's best to, if possible, just use the latest version and migrate your code to latest version. It may not be that hard, but if it is hard, go for installing these old versions. Once installed, we can check TensorFlow by import TensorFlow as TF, and PyTorch by import Torch. And if CUDA is available or GPU is available, then we can check like this: torch.cuda is available, tf.config list physical devices of GPU. So this will show you the GPU that you are having. And if it is not showing, that means it haven't recognized the GPU. Most likely CUDA version issue, and then you have to go for installing either the proper CUDA version, or if you have some particular CUDA, then downgrading your TensorFlow or PyTorch such that it matches with your existing CUDA version. Alright, so let's have some hands-on now.